Now 4 into 4 square centimeter. Okay, square centimeter. Okay, now area of a rectangle is what is the formula? What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So what is the length? 8 into 2. See, 8 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So 8 2s are 16 square centimeter. Okay, so this way you are going to solve the sum. Question number 4. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall? So there is a assembly hall. You must have seen assembly hall in our school. Okay. Now they have to change they want to change the floor of this assembly hall. So now square they have given the length and breadth of the assembly hall. So it is 16 meter is the length and 12 meter is the breadth. Now 1 square meter is 80 rupees. So 1 square meter is how much? 80 rupees. Now they have to find the total cost of this assembly hall. Okay, so how they will find out how much money it has to be spent? So let us find what is given. Length of the assembly hall is 16 meter and breadth of the assembly hall is 12 meter. Okay, width and breadth is same. So what? Area of a rectangular hall is equal to what, children? Length into breadth. So what is length into breadth? 16 into 12. So quickly solve this. 2 8s are 2 6 are 12. 1 2s are 2 3. So 192 rupees, 192 square meter is the total area. Okay, area is of a hall, assembly hall is equal to 192 square meter. Now second part of the question. If the cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees. Now cost of laying 1 square meter is equal to 80 rupees. Cost of 192 square meter is equal to 192 into 80. ओके, अगर 1 मीटर का 80 रुपीज़ होता है, अभी हमें 190 पूरा एरिया ढूंढना है. एरिया का कितना कॉस्टिंग होगा? सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर. One 8 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15,360 rupees. Total cost of laying. So you can write total cost of laying the assembly hall is equal to 15,360 rupees. Okay, so there is an assembly hall. If one tile square meter is 80 rupees, so the total area is 192. So 192 into 80, which is 15. If you multiply, then you will get 15,360. इतना पैसा खर्चा होगा अगर ये पूरे हॉल में फ्लोर को लेइंग करेंगे. Okay, thank you. Now children, question number 5. In your maths textbook, page number 74, the picture alongside shows some square. Find out how many squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. So let us see. Kindly remove your pencil. See, this is the picture. Now find out how many squares with the same measure will fit in the empty space in the figure. So this is the empty space. Okay, this is the empty space. Now let us see how many square can we fit here. So I am doing this, then 1 and 2. So I hope it is clear. You can use a scale and let us count how many squares can fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 squares can fit in the empty space, in the empty figure. Okay, empty space in the figure. Now question number 6. Divide the figure given alongside into 4 parts in such a way that the area and the shape of each figure is same. Color the parts with different color. Now this shape is given. Now what they want that we have to divide this shape into 4 parts, and all the parts area should be same. So let us see, let us color. So how I'm going to do. So 1, 2, 3. This is first part. Okay, I'm just doing this. Let us check whether your teacher is getting right or not. And then let us I will use another part, another color to get same area. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry children. Okay, and now I'll take a blue color and try. So I hope I'm right. So in this way, see, first part 1, 2, 3 blocks I have done. It looks like a L. Then the yellow part 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks I have colored. In the green part again I have colored 3 blocks 1, 2, 3. It looks like a L. And here also, see, now I will color it properly to show you. Okay, so you can see we can color it. We have divided it into equal parts, 4 equal parts. Okay, so this way, see, all the blocks are divided into 4 equal parts. Each shape has got 3 parts. रेड को भी 3 मिला है, येलो को भी 3 मिला है, ग्रीन को भी 3 मिला है, एंड ब्लू को भी 3 मिला है. Okay, with this we have come to the end of the chapter. Kindly practice the sums, learn the formulas. Thank you. Have a nice day.